How to make a treble crochet. Hook, yarn, scissors, and darning needle. Make a slip knot and a chain of about 13. Yarn over your hook 2 times and insert it into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over again and draw up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook and pull it through only 2 of the loops on your hook. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook and again only draw through 2 loops on your hook. You have 2 loops left. Yarn over and draw through the last 2 loops on your hook. You have made your first treble crochet. Let's repeat this process. Yarn over your hook twice and insert it into the next stitch. Yarn over again and drop a loop for 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over and draw through the next 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through the last 2 loops. Yarn over twice and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop for 4 loops. Yarn over your hook and pull through the first 2 loops. You will repeat this twice more. Let's keep going and make 6 more treble crochets across the row. Treble crochets made. Chain 3 and turn. On your own, make 10 treble crochets across this row. Notice how long and lacy the stitches are. Chain 3 and turn. We will practice increasing on this row. As with other stitches, to increase simply do 2 stitches in 1 stitch. You now have made 20 treble crochets on this row. At the end of this row, chain 3 and turn. We will practice decreasing on the next row. To decrease, yarn over twice, and insert your hook in the first stitch and yarn over again, and draw up a loop for 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops on your hook. Do this twice, leaving the last 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over twice and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up another loop for 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You have 4 loops left. Yarn over and draw through the next 2 loops on your hook. 3 loops left. Yarn over and draw through the last 3 loops on your hook. Repeat this process across the row. To decrease, remember, begin a treble crochet, but end it with 2 loops left. Repeat in the next stitch. Yarn over and draw through all of the last 3 loops. You're finished. Go back to your book and download the next guided lesson, How to Make a Large Flower.